The slide here shows the life cycle of a servlet. There are 5 states in the servlet life cycle, which are loaded, created, initialized, served, and destroyed. The state of the servlet changes when a certain method in the servlet is invoked. When a servlet is invoked for the first time, JVM will load the servlet class. At this moment, the servlet is in loaded state. Then, JVM will create the servlet using the constructor. When the servlet's constructor is invoked, the state changes from loaded to created. The servlet needs to be initialized. Therefore, init method is invoked. Init is a method that will be invoked at every construction of the servlet. Init is called once and will not be called again as long as the servlet is not destroyed. When init method is invoked, the state of the servlet changes from created to initialized. Servlet is ready to service the incoming request in this state. The service method is invoked each time the server receives a request from the servlet. This will change the state from initialize to serve. In serve, a new thread is spawned and invoke the service method. The serve state will change to destroy state when destroy method is invoked. The destroy method will be invoked automatically after timeout or when the web server is stopped. Init method, service, and destroy are methods that JVM uses to control the servlet. These methods belong to a class named servlet from javax.servlet package.